Our time in Amsterdam has been nothing short of magical. From royal palaces, world famous art, laughter, good food, and surprises around every corner. This city truly captures the heart. But our European adventure is just getting started, so make sure and subscribe so that you can join us on this journey. Sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this tour together.
Taking my chances along with my dream.
Today we are going to visit the palace right here in the heart of Amsterdam. It's actually under construction. The Royal Palace was not always a royal palace. Originally, this building was constructed as Amsterdam City Hall, the Stadhuis. Construction began in 1648 and the main architect was Jacob van Kampen. It was built on 13,659 wooden piles driven into Amsterdam's soft soil to provide a stable foundation. The City Hall was officially opened in July 1655. It symbolized Amsterdam's wealth and power during the Dutch Golden Age and was one of the grandest secular buildings in Europe at the time. The palace sits right here on Dam Square, the historic center of Amsterdam. The interior includes a vast citizens' hall, marble galleries, and impressive chandeliers. In 1806, when Louis Bonaparte, Napoleon's brother, became King of Holland, he decided to make the City Hall into a royal palace. By 1808, Louis Bonaparte made his official entry into Amsterdam, and the transformation of the building began. Offices became reception rooms, cellars were turned into wine cellars, and a balcony was added above the central facade so the king could present himself to the people. Much of the interior furniture was bought or commissioned to match the palace use. After Napoleon fell around 1813, Prince William of Orange, later King William I, returned the palace to the city of Amsterdam. However, he recognized that the monarchy needed a royal presence in the capital. He requested that the palace be made available for royal use again. Eventually, in 1936, the building became state property and was placed at the disposal of the monarch by an act of parliament. Today, the Royal Palace is not a primary royal residence. Instead, it's used for state functions, receptions, and ceremonies. It is open to the public for tours for much of the year. A major renovation was done between 2005 and 2009. This building remains one of the most important monuments from the 17th century in the Netherlands. We just finished our tour of the Royal Palace. This was the balcony where everybody came out, where everything took place. And so this is the Dam Square right here that we're in. My honey laughs about that. But this is the square. We couldn't take video inside, but we did take photos. It's absolutely amazing. The marble, everything is just beautiful, right?
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Definitely worth the tour.
And it was 27 euros for both of us, and it included the audio tour. It was so organized. We could drop our jackets, bags off for free. It was amazing. If you're in Amsterdam, this is a must-do. Even the light poles out here have crowns onto them. How awesome is that? We've made it to Hopper, the oldest cafe in Amsterdam since 1670. How cool is that? While in Amsterdam, one must have Amstel. not your average looking shopping centre, but this is a shopping centre right here in the heart of Amsterdam. And there's leaning buildings everywhere. Look at this one. So funny. You can see all the leaning buildings here as well. This was so special, meeting my brother and his wife right here in Amsterdam after being traveling for so many months.
Now, my friends, can I do for you? I do a little show, your own private magic show. I do 4 or 5 of the greatest tricks in the world. All I ask at the end is a little tip from the group, maybe a $5 or something. Would you like to see it? What do you think? Your own private magic show.
Sure.
And by the way, gentlemen, lovely to see that you're showing your daughters around Amsterdam. Very nice of you. Now, can you pick a card?
Yeah, they will give you a tip.
That's it. No tip from them anymore. Show everyone. Don't show me.
Oh, weird.
Okay. Say stop anywhere.
Stop.
Put the card on top. Now I'm going to shuffle the pack. Now, can you blow on the cards for me? Blow, blow. All right. Can you see your card? It should be staring you all right in the face. It's staring you in the face. Excuse me, sir. Crazy, isn't it? Jack of diamonds again. I can't believe it.
I couldn't see it.
Now you
didn't even see it.
You wouldn't have a pen on you, would you? Oh, you have one there. I've got one for you. Thank you so much. Now, my friend, can you take the pen? And what I'd like you to do is sign your name on this side, okay? You're going to take a card out. All I need is your name, credit card number, expiry date, and the 3 little numbers on the back. That's all. No, just your name is fine. Worth a try, wouldn't it? Worth a try. You could have split that. You know. Any card you like, my friend.
Continue all the
Yes. Are you married, sir?
Yeah, she would say so.
Well, I can see you're married. You take instructions very well. Now, sign the card, my friend. Just your name is fine. I know. You've got him sort of well trained now.
I'm trying. Kind of, sort of.
Taking a while.
She's been trying for a long time.
I will get the pen back because I'm very cheap now. I live in the Netherlands. I'm so cheap that I invited a lovely lady to my place the other day. She said Netflix and chill. I said no, Wikipedia and chill for you, darling. She wasn't very. Not much fun for me that night. Anyway, put your card on top there, my friend. Now, what I'm going to do is put the cards on the table. Now, have you ever seen what's called a card sleeve before? This is called a card sleeve, okay? It holds one single card like a baseball card. Now, I'm going to put that on the table. Now, your card's been on the top the whole time, correct? Actually, it's not there anymore. It's changed into a number 6. It doesn't exist anymore. No. We're going to take the 6. We're going to slide it into the card. Just single card there. Now, you can see it in there quite plainly, I think. You can see the 6 in there quite plainly. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, this isn't your card, sir, is it?
No.
You signed a card, didn't you?
Yeah.
Now, watch this, because would it be crazy if something changed into something else like this? Oh, it's changed into the signed card for Vernon. Oh, yes. That's your card to keep, Vernon. That's your souvenir. Your souvenir. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
I have my house here in Amsterdam. It's right there, the big square.
Oh, yeah. We took a tour of it. I didn't see you.
Well, I've got the builders in at the moment, you know. I'd have you over. My place is up the top, you know. I mean, the bill, it's very dusty. It's very dusty. You know. I'm only doing this to pay the cleaning bill. You know, the cleaning bill is outrageous.
That's a good idea.
I own everything else. I actually allow the king and queen to come by, you know, to make them feel good about it. And I've got one more for you, my dear. Show each other, have a look at yourself. Put the card on top. Now put your hand out flat like that and put the other hand on top like this. Now, what's your name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl. Lovely to see you, Cheryl. Is this your card, Cheryl? We're going to put the Jack of Spades in there and do the magic wiggling of the fingers. Say the magic words, abracadabra.
Viagra.
Whoa! Show me that card, man.
Oh my Viagra. I mean, oh my word.
My friends, thank you so much and lovely to see you. Welcome to Amsterdam. That's lovely. Thank
So where are you from?
Well, I'm from a tiny little island south of here It's called Australia.
As a pedestrian, when you're walking into Amsterdam, you have to look out for cars, trams, bicycles, baby carriages. And in most places, the bicycles have right of way, so be careful. But that says 17 is Central. First time I saw this, I was pretty amazed by it. This wall food. You stick your money in and you get warm meals out. Wow, here on Leidseplein, it's full of iguanas, monitor lizards, all over. But that's okay, they're living in harmony together. Pretty cool. This building is from 1894. Pretty impressive. What a cute area right here onto the Leidseplein. All sides, the Heineken hook onto the corner up at Hoek. There's all kinds of little cafes down this street. And when you see Heineken on the building, that means they own the building. This is a cute little street and much less busy than on the main street. We stopped to buy a Canal cruise, and there were different types of cruises. We wanted a wine and cheese, but wine and cheese was all sold out. But the girl, she was a good salesperson. She said, why don't you just buy the regular cruise and buy your cheese and wine and take it on it? And that's what we did. Pros! Woo! Cheers, cheers! Cheers, Glenda! Woo! Line to buy our tickets for the Rijksmuseum. We just got our tickets to go inside the Rijksmuseum, and they were only 25 euros a person. Online it said make sure and book ahead of time, but we bought them right here. The ticket booth was only like a 5-minute wait, so here we go. It's really bright in the lobby. That makes you feel like you're outdoors, but it's really warm, so you know you're indoors. And it looks like there's a cafe on the other side. Let's go get some information. These lamps are inspired by traditional Japanese lanterns. Let me show you. Very cool, right? Very conveniently, we could check in and leave our coats there instead of taking them, because it's nice and warm inside. So instead of lugging them around, that was super convenient. This crucifix was found in a river close to a village near Maastricht, somewhere between 1400 and 1420. Founded in 1798 in The Hague, the Rijksmuseum was originally created to showcase the Dutch Republic's most important artworks. But in 1808, when Louis Napoleon became King of Holland, he moved the museum to Amsterdam, placing it in the Royal Palace on Dam Square. But the museum eventually moved into its current building in 1885. Designed by famous Dutch architect Pierre Cuypers, who combined Gothic and Renaissance styles with Dutch historic elements. The building itself is considered a masterpiece, almost as iconic as the art it houses. From 2003 to 2013, the museum underwent a massive 10-year renovation, modernizing galleries, restoring original architectural elements, and improving the visitor flow. It reopened to worldwide acclaim in 2013. It's the National Museum of the Netherlands, dedicated to Dutch art, culture, and history. It's home to over 8,000 pieces on display, from its full collection of over 1 million objects. Best known for masterpieces of the Dutch Golden Age, including Rembrandt's The Night Watch, You won't miss the night watch because it has an entire room dedicated to it. When we were visiting, it was actually going through a facelift, so we couldn't get too close to it. Here is the famous The Milkmaid by Johannes Vermeer. Van Gogh's early works. It also houses ship models, Delftware, historic weapons, jewelry, fashion pieces, and furniture. The Rijksmuseum isn't just a museum, it's the heart of Dutch culture wrapped inside a work of art itself. Right after the Rijksmuseum, we walked down to this cute canal with a bridge lined with flowers, and now we're going to have lunch at this cafe, Hansel and Gretel, Hans and Grietje. And that wraps up another amazing day here in Amsterdam. Thank you so much for coming along with us for part 2 of this adventure. If you enjoyed exploring with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss what's coming next. We've got more of the Netherlands traveling on its way, so stay tuned next week.